Hello everyone, this is Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Just wanted to say hello, show you a new item. Well, shouldn't say new, it's refurbished. So let's go ahead and show you the newest item that I've gotten here. It's been opened on the outside package to make it a little bit easier to access. There we go. So this here is an X370 Gaming Plus motherboard from MSI. Now this particular board was bought for the purposes of upgrading my test bench so that it will be capable of running the graphics cards and processors that I need to run to be able to test products and items that I get. So that will hopefully add some extra flavor to the site as time goes on. It comes with a rear I/O shield or plate. Now this particular one seems to have been opened, which kind of is disappointing that they wouldn't just go ahead and give a new I/O plate. It is manufacturer refurbished, so it should have come with items straight from the manufacturer. Now it does also come with two unopened SATA data cables, so those will come in handy. Oh, look at that! It comes with an MSI SLI bridge. Now it's not one of the nicer, fancier ones that you get from like EVGA, where it's got the RGB and stuff, but it will still be a handy item, and for free, I mean really, it's a nice touch. It's the first motherboard that I've purchased that has come with one, so I'm happy that they did that. It's a good thing. That's showing good customer service. It also comes with, looks like your standard, items in the box. You've got the DVD. You've got the little thank you package that gives you all the product stuff. You've got some, looks like cable, tabs so that you can keep track of which SATA cable goes to where. And then it's got the little quick install guide for the CPU and the RAM. The guide, of course, for the motherboard, which again is the X370 Gaming Plus. So anyway, for the packaging that comes with it, it's pretty decent. I especially like the fact that it comes with the SLI bridge. That's a nice handy item, and that may come in really handy later because I do hope to one day be able to SLI. But first I have to be able to afford two nice graphics cards. So now for the main event. So we have the motherboard. So now this motherboard is an ATX, it's not a micro ATX. It has 4 DIMM slots, so you won't have to worry about upgrading RAM. You won't have to replace the 2 sticks. If you say you get 2 4-gig sticks for now, you can just buy 2 4-gig sticks in the future and have 16 gigs, or replace them and have more RAM later. It has the 24-pin motherboard adapter, as well as an 8-pin CPU adapter, the AM4 socket with the standard backplate and brackets for the Athlon series, which, although it is outdated, they still keep as a low-end budget CPU option, which is nice. And then, of course, it also has the backplate included on the back of it. So the Ryzen processors, you just replace these 2 screws and these 2 screws, and the brackets with the heatsink for the Ryzens. Also, it would appear that there are 2 reinforced PCI Express slots for the X16. Now, one will definitely be X16, the other one may be an X8, which is how a lot of them run. I'll have to double check and look into that one. And then it's got either an X4 or an X8 slot here. And then it's got 3 PCI Express X1 slots. And then the badging on the board as always. Now on the rear, you've got 6 ports for the sound, which means you're going to be able to do the higher end surround sound, as opposed to some of the boards that only have 3 ports, which gives you basic sound only. It has a Type-C USB 3 adapter, so it is VR ready. And it looks like it's got 5 USB 3 or USB 3 3.1 ports. It's got the LAN connection for network, so it should be a gigabit connection nowadays. It's got an HDMI port and a DVI. If the CPU has integrated video, you'll be able to plug those in directly to the motherboard. It's got 2 USB 2 ports as well as a PS2 port, and the PS2 port is used for older keyboards and mice, but there are still some people that really like a specific keyboard or mouse they've had for years, and this way you can still carry it over if you want to. But overall, it is a very nice looking motherboard. It looks like it will make for a great test bench setup, and overall I'm pleased with the purchase. Now this particular one was refurbished manufacturer refurbished, purchased through Newegg. This board retails normally new for about 100 to 120. I picked this up for about 60, I think it was. It might have been 69. So overall, not too bad, and it will make a great addition to the test bench area upstairs. So I look forward to trying it out. I'll see about sharing over time how it does perform. But thank you for watching. I appreciate your views. And as always, if you like this video, please like it down below. Subscribe to our channel if you want to keep up to date. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, regardless of whether you subscribe to the channel or like the video. That way I can know what's going through your mind, and then I can answer any questions that you may have, and I can take some feedback on the video. Thanks again. Have a great day, everyone.